Intelligent flooring protects and supports you always. What are the requirements for a floor suitable for the elderly and those with limited mobility? It needs to have sufficient load-bearing capacity and also be able to absorb impact during falls, reducing the risk of injury. What is the non-Newtonian physical property? In general, fluids, like water in a swimming pool, cannot support the weight of a person walking on it. However, when the non-Newtonian fluid is injected into the pool, if the surface is vigorously impacted, the fluid exhibits solid-like properties, allowing people to walk swiftly on it. Take a look at these students. They seem to be effortlessly gliding on water. ShockPro safety flooring is the world's first safety flooring with non-Newtonian physical properties. When walking on it, it behaves like regular flooring, but when you fall on it, it changes its physical properties, absorbing over 80% of impact that could cause serious injuries. Developed by the Hong Kong Nano and Advanced Materials Institute, ShockPro flooring is a thin, flexible, and cost-effective protective material. Its molecular structure transforms into a resilience network within milliseconds upon impact, absorbing the impact force. With just a thickness of 10 millimeters, it can reduce over 80% of impact force. ShockPro is 30% more effective than physical shock-absorbing flooring in the market. Whether for homes, medical facilities, or nursing homes, ShockPro flooring can be easily and flexibly installed, providing you with the best protection. ShockPro flooring is designed for your health and safety, incorporating innovative technology